Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a question from the topic area under the curve. The question is if the area enclosed by the curve y is equal to gx, comma x is equal to minus 3, comma x is equal to 5 and x-axis where gx is inverse of function fx and fx is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 1 is a. What we need to find? We need to find the value of a. Now I am going to give approach how to solve this problem. Now what is given here? It is given that fx is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 1. Now what is the value of f of minus 1? F of minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Simply putting the value here, what we find? F of minus 1 is equal to minus 3. And what about f of 1? Simply put x is equal to 1 in this equation. What we find? We find f of 1 is 5. So f of 1, this coordinate is 1 comma 5 and minus 1 comma 3. This point is minus 1 comma 3. Now gx is inverse of function fx. What does it mean? This means the graph of function fx, this is y is equal to fx, this graph is y is equal to fx and this graph is y is equal to f inverse x. Both graphs are symmetrical about line y is equal to x. So this angle is how much? 45 degree, 45 degree. This 45 degree and this also 45 degree. Graph of function fx and f inverse x both are symmetrical about this line y is equal to x. So what does it mean? This means if this is line y is equal to x, if a comma b is any coordinate, so what is its image? Its image with respect to this line is b comma a. Therefore, this length and this length are equal and this is 90 degree. So it is 1 comma 5. This is y is equal to fx. It is given fx. So its image with respect to y is equal to x is 5 comma 1. So this coordinate is 5 comma 1 and this is minus 1 comma 3. And this graph of y is equal to fx is symmetrical about line y is equal to x. So this is this minus 3 comma 1. So image of minus 1 comma 3 is minus 3 comma 1 and image of 1 comma 5 is equal to 5 comma 1. Now what we need to find? We need to find area enclosed by y is equal to gx, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 5. What is gx here? Gx is inverse of fx. So graphically we need to find this area. Let this area is we need to find this area, this shaded area. X is equal to minus 3 here. This x is equal to minus 3. And what about this? This is 5. X is equal to 5. So this is graph of y is equal to f inverse x. So we need to find this area. Say this area is A. This shaded area is A. Now by geometry, what we observe, this area A is equal to area bounded by y is equal to fx on y-axis. Both are equal. Area bounded by y is equal to fx on x-axis is same as if y is equal to fx on y-axis same as area bounded by y is equal to f inverse x on this is common area x-axis. So what we can say that area bounded by if this is y is equal to fx. So this area is A1. So by geometry what can we say? A1 is equal to A. What is A1 here? A1 is area bounded y is equal to fx and this line is how much? This line is y is equal to minus 3 and this line is y is equal to 5. So this is function y is equal to fx. So area bounded by y is equal to fx, y-axis y is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 5 is same as area bounded by y is equal to f inverse x, x is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 3 and x-axis. So if we calculate a1, a1 is equal to a. Now our target is to calculate a1. So a1 can be given by, y1 minus y2 dx. Simply apply the concept of area, y1 minus y2 dx, a to b. So this curve is y is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 1, and this is y is equal to minus 3. So from minus 1 to 0, this coordinate is minus 1 comma 3. So this is, if you draw perpendicular here, this is minus 1 comma 0. So minus 1 to 0, x cube plus 3x plus 1 minus of minus, this is y is equal to minus 3 dx, and y1 minus y2 dx. And from 0 to 1 it is, this is 0 comma 0, 0 to 1 it is, this is y1 is 5, this is y is equal to 5, y1 minus y2 dx. Now simply putting the values and evaluating the results, what we find this as, simply evaluating the result, what we find, x cube plus 3x plus 1 is, what is the integral of x cube? It is x is to 4 by 4, and 3x is 3 by 2 x square, and this 1 minus of minus 3 plus 4, 4x. And what about 5 minus 1? This is 4x minus x raised to 4 minus 3 by 2 x square. Simply evaluating the result, what we find a is equal to a1, and this is equal to, so it is equal to upper limit minus lower limit 0 minus 1 by 4. Upper limit is 0, and putting x is equal to minus 1, so this is 1 by 4, 3 by 2 minus 4. And what about this, putting 1, it is 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. And finally, if we calculate this further, what we find, this a is equal to a1, this is equal to 8, this minus plus 4, 8 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 5 minus 1 by 2. So this is how much? This is equal to 9 by 2. So this is the value of a. So hope you understand how to approach this problem, this type of problem. So thank you and see you in next video.